Located on Main Street in Warren Village, this beautifully restored 1840 cape offers timeless charm with modern comfort. Set on over an acre, the property extends to the Mad River, where a grassy riverside seating area invites relaxation. The front porch is the perfect place to take in the sights and sounds of this classic Vermont setting. Inside, the kitchen blends historic character with thoughtful updates. Locally crafted cabinetry, custom counters, and premium appliances create a space that's both functional and inviting. Wide pine floors, a brick hearth, and a wood stove bring warmth to the living room, making it an ideal spot for gathering in any season. Three charming bedrooms offer peaceful retreats, with a full bath on each floor for convenience. When the snow melts, the backyard comes alive, lush gardens, and a patio ready for outdoor entertaining. Located minutes from the popular Warren Falls and just a quick drive to Sugarbush Resort, this home is perfectly positioned for four-season adventure. Experience the best of the Mad River Valley, living with this charming cape. Schedule a showing today.